hell no. You guys ready to see what's in here? Every day when I come home, I check under the hood of the cars because ever since I found out that there's rats, I'm afraid that they're gonna chew wire. I already know they chew the wire on this car. It has a check engine light. Look at the little poops. Oh hell no. What is that? Setting up this trap to see if I get one of these motherfuckers. They're gonna be in there. I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get them. No more hiding in my car. Alright, so put some crackers there. Put some more crackers here. Bait. It looks like it's gonna rain. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not, but I need to find something for the s2000 because it still has the big hole. I don't have the hardtop on yet. Damn. Alright, so I'm off to Home Depot. I'm gonna buy some more mouse traps. I'll probably get the glue one. I'm kind of scared of setting up the snapping ones. Which ones should I buy? Oh, shit. How about these big ones right here? I'll probably just take two of them. Light, guys, and there was a freaking cop right there, except he was going the opposite way and it looked like he tried to stop, but he had traffic behind him, and I think I got away. So time to hurry back home because I know he's looking for me. Guys, I made it back with no ticket, so kind of put these glue traps on here and hope that the freaking rat falls in it. You guys ready to see what's in here? Well, what do you know? With carbon fiber hardtop, guys. Yo. Look at it, it's so clean. I take these off, take this off, this ugly orange thing off. Huh. Probably use these for sanding. This thing is awesome. Can't wait to put it on the car. Glass window, it already came with it. which is pretty cool because I was kind of concerned. I don't know how to put it on the window, but it looks so nice. I never thought I would get a hardtop for the s2000, especially carbon fiber. This thing is so nice, super clean, and it has a big window. Look at that window. Look at this ugly thing, man. Plus, I was getting little rips here, common rip there. This one was already ripped right there. So, even though it's carbon fiber, it's still kind of heavy for one person to just lay it on top. So I'm gonna put the soft top down, put the windows down, and then hopefully with the doors open, I can kind of step in here and just, you know, set it inside, and take a quick look and see how it looks. Alright, let me show you guys the inside. This thing looks fresh right now. I can't wait till this thing's actually on and I can drive it. I miss driving this car. Let's see. So it's just a little gap, and that's where the rubber seals are gonna be mounted. Dang. Yep, this thing looks nice. Double-sided carbon fiber. Freaking sick. Alright guys, well there you have it. It's a small little video for today. I wanted to post something I haven't posted in a while. I'm going to take off the hard top and put the soft top back on until I get the brackets. That's actually what I was missing. That's why I haven't installed the hard top, because I don't have the brackets for it yet, but they're on their way. Maybe this week, hopefully they come in, and I'll be doing an installation video on that. So stay tuned for the next video, guys.